Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Friends, KFC is one of the world-famous fast food restaurants. KFC has 145 franchises in the world, where people like to eat KFC fried chicken. This video will tell you what happens inside KFC. KFC made by Colonel Harland. This man was not actually a colonel. He received the colonel's name as honor. Harland began selling KFC at a gas station. This man makes chicken himself and feeds people. After that, he would put fried chicken in his car and go to different restaurants. So his chicken would be sold in different restaurants. The KFC became so famous that Colonel Harland became a celebrity. And he is still the identity of the KFC today. People in KFC offices not only decide where the KFC should be, but also make new dishes, and the staff working in the offices tell by eating how it tastes. Let's talk about how this thing is made. Now let's talk about the secret of KFC's famous 11 hub spices, which are safe in that. The KFC spices are locked very securely in one locker. It is said that only 2 people from KFC know about them, and these 2 people are not even allowed to talk to each other. Even these 2 people cannot travel together in one flight. Now you may be thinking that these people who make spices, they know how it's made. They know about these spices. But friends, it's not like that. There are 2 different teams in KFC. Both teams work in different places. Some spices make one team, and some spices make the other team. Both teams don't know each other. And 2 teams make these spices and send them to the 3rd team, and 3rd teams mix these spices. That is, KFC is very protective of its original recipe. KFC copies have been made all over the world. But the KFC still says it cannot copy their original recipe. KFC uses very healthy chicken meat. The meat of these chickens is paid at the KFC restaurant 48 hours in advance, so that the meat stays fresh. During this time, the meat is kept, so that it does not go bad. These 11 spices are also used in KFC restaurants along with flour and salt, which is very secret. That is, the one who does the most does not even know himself. What are these 11 spices? These things are done to the maximum of 20 things. This is what I am telling you about international practice. These spices are then poured into a machine called a mechanical mixer. And friends, then the chicken is dipped in water and the 7th check is done. The chicken is also mixed 7 times in this mixture. This is a standard procedure of KFC. Past inspection teams also visit various restaurants to check the quality and standard. These people eat the food and check to make sure that the taste of each restaurant is the same. But it's not possible, but they try their best. Friends, I hope you noticed this information about KFC. If you want to know the secrets of any other restaurant, comment below. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss upcoming videos.